Your favorite bread and tea.
This is so cute. But I won't sleep. I don't want to go.
I love you.
I brought you your favorite tea.
Good, you're the princess.
He need be more strong. It's a little boy.
Yeah, but whose fault is it? Tell me what to do. Somebody please tell me what to do.
Not live here and take care of your stuff. It's a little boy.
We don't mind you guys enjoying the farm. We really don't. But you know the rules. You know that we have rules in the hot tub, and we were really not happy. Did you really leave the hot tub looking like that?
The wind did that.
I don't think the wind did that.
No!
What's wrong?
It's a little cloudy. Cloudy's not good. Cloudy's not good. Did you guys wear clothes in the hot tub?
No.
You didn't wear clothes in the hot tub. That's not what messed up the water?
Explain me sometime because I not understand.
No clothes in the hot tub, okay?
Need to talk about a few things that's going on here at the farm that, quite honestly, we're not real happy with. I don't even see you when you get up in the morning because I'm out there doing animals.
Oh my God.
Wait, what? They can't bring you tea in the morning.
Sorry, bro. Use this for therapy,
Not for...
not entertainment. Stop.
Sorry.
Stop.
Hell yeah, you make me want a cigarette. Country living ain't ever done me wrong.
Yeehaw! Now look who you just got riled up. We're about to do us a dance.